Hi guys, this is another one of my dresses that I made, and this one is a black. Y'all guys, you see them ruffles? I'm gonna turn around and show you guys these ruffles. You guys see them ruffles? Can you see them? I'm gonna turn this. Oh, almost fell downstairs. But the ruffle goes up around the neck, guys, and then it swings over around. Can you guys see that? That's so pretty. And then the arm go through, guys. And then the sleeve. So this is another one of my dresses, guys. I got to wear the right Spanx. A lot of times when I put these dresses on, guys, I'm not wearing them then. I'm just basically doing a try on. So sometime I might need to wear certain underwear, certain bralettes and stuff, but just kind of show y'all the different dresses and stuff that I have that I can make. So this is the black one. And remember, guys, I can do it in any color. You ain't got to be stuck to black. If black ain't your thing, you ain't got to just do black. Remember, red, purple, green, whatever it is you want, I can do it for you guys. So I wanted to show you guys another lovely dress. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here you go. A couple still shots. You guys can make these dresses in all colors. Does not have to be just black. Any color you want will do. So this is a black tube dress, one sleeve with ruffles going up around the neck. And remember, guys, this can be made in all colors. So pull out those sewing machine and make some awesome project, guys. Happy sewing, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you guys so much for always watching my channel, guys. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.